Let's build your irresistible hook. The hook is the first thing that catches the eye of your ideal customer or follower. You will be given 2 seconds to win his attention or to let him scroll to the next post. A compelling and interesting hook is a critical component of any ads, but also of informative posts or publication or storytelling. A good hook sparks curiosity so they stop scrolling and want to learn more. In my personal experience, the best hooks ask a leading question or make a provocative claim that hints at a common problem in your prospect's mind. Some examples. Are you struggling with your views growth? Or 3 simple tips to fix your golf slides, they work, and do not buy followers. The portfolios of winning hooks is composed by these 3 main categories: even numbers with advantages, negative affirmation, direct product sharing. Try not to be completely salesy in your messaging. In the end, we all hate when ads promise me the word just to get me to click on their link and waste my time. There's a fine line between a hook and a clickbait. Hook can be helpful in speaking to your ideal customer, while the latter can break trust with your clients and hurt your business in the long term. Now that you have caught your customer attention, you have one additional 3 to 7 seconds to lock in till the final offer your viewer. And here is where you have to exploit the benefit. We see this in the next episode.